In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall apps or programs on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select apps on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath apps, select installed apps. And then you just want to scroll through the list and locate the application you want to remove. Select the three-dotted icon next to it and select uninstall. And then once it's uninstalled, I would suggest restarting your computer. Please note that not all applications can be removed, especially the built-in Windows ones. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.